Hey, what's going on, everybody? What's going on? All right, so now what we're gonna do is take off these suppressor height sights and put on a more standard sights right here because I'm in anticipation of getting the Holosun SCS sight, red dot, and that is flush mount to the Glocks. So that's the plan. So since I'm going for that type of red dot, I don't need these suppressor sights anymore. So I'm gonna take these bad boys off. But of course, always make sure it's clear. As you see, there's no magazine inside there. Make sure it's clear, Gotta pull the trigger in safety direction. Then, all right. Take all this stuff off. I don't need none of this stuff in here. And I'm gonna put my slide right inside of this little jig right here. I had this for a long time. Actually, when I originally did my first time changing these rear sights. All right, when it's set up on your little work area, now I just have to turn this one out. That's pretty much, I'm gonna use a wrench. So I move now. All right, let's keep on going. It's already started moving. All right, now it's out. So this is out completely. So that's out. Now let me take a look, take this out. So this is how the slide look now with that piece is missing. So now let's take a look at this guy. So now we're gonna focus on putting this guy on. See how this works out. So this will be the same deal. Now I just have to go real slow and try to eyeball it. Now I'm gonna take a look at it, see how it looks. You know what? That's pretty much very, very close. I gotta take it out to the range to see how it is. But what I'm gonna do now is the front sight. This tool right here is a godsend. This guy right here. It's impossible to get that little, there's a little nut in there. You can never reach it. It's very flat. There you go. With this tool, life is so much easier. See, that was it, pretty much. Now I got some blue Loctite right here. I'm gonna put this put a little dab of it on the bolt, a little bit. I wanted a little bit. All right. One thing I don't like about these front sights is that you see how on these sights, the little insert fits the hole exactly. This is just round that you can actually move this around, which is not too good. Yeah, see how it's not straight? Because it doesn't line up with the type of hole it is. It's just it's supposed to be like a rectangular hole so it can fit straight at all times. Unfortunately, the way these sights work, it's not like that. All right, got them on as best I could. And now I'm just gonna have to, I'm gonna try out this bad boy. This is like a laser that you put down the barrel, and when you click the trigger, it actually tells you where the light is, where the barrel is pointing. So we go like this. All right there, put this together. Now if I ratchet, aim down the sight, all right. Okay, this looks pretty good. Okay. Okay, this is right on the money. All right, there you go. I think this is pretty good. I was a little skeptical. I'll have to see how these front sights hold up because I don't like the way the whole thing is shaped. Okay, pretty much on target. All right, so now I just have to take it to the range and see how it works out. These are supposed to be night sights, but I'm not really too sure. See how this works out.